This is the beginning of the top of the cup. It's being printed top down, and the two walls are just starting to be separating as they go to the bottom. More later. Alright, this is going to print overnight. It's going to take about another 10 hours. And I'm only printing 270 degrees of the insulated cup to be able to show the internal structure. More later. Printed it with a 270 degree revolve just so the internal structure could be displayed in the final product. Okay, so it's going to be interesting to see how this completes without any internal supports for the outer shell. Okay, here's the finished 270 degree revolved insulated cup project. It's unclear to me how this would have printed if it was a whole cup. Got some supports coming up here. Or coming across here to the bottom of the cup, or at least it appears that way, and it looks like some of the filament dropped down because of the expanse it was trying to go across. So just not clear how this would have printed if it was the whole cup and really maintained that insulated design. So I think this adequately documents that the spline function was used appropriately in this design. I'm just not sure it's a 3D printable design to actually be functional. And what I'm going to do at a later date, just to satisfy my own personal curiosity, is I'm going to print a 360 degree revolved container, and after it's done printing, I'm going to dissect it and see what's going on internally to see if there actually is that airspace being maintained so that it would actually be an insulated cup. But for now, I'm going to consider this a successful print and a successful project and demonstration of using the spline tool in Fusion 360.